Alright, so welcome to a brand new gaming review. A lot of you have been requesting for comprehensive gaming reviews, and that's what we are going to do today. The device and ROM in question is Pixel Experience Plus for the Poco X3 Pro. I've been using it for a week's time. I do have a lot of games, but we'll be testing out two today. That will be Apex Legends Mobile, and we will be testing out Call of Duty Mobile because these are the two games which are the most requested ones. Unfortunately, BGMI is banned in India, so I'm not really going to support or go against the government. We're just going to go with these two games. We will have the CPU temperature, the battery temperature, and the built-in FPS meter. We will have about 5 to 7 minutes of gaming on each game, and we will see how the performance is. We will also check the battery percentage at the start and the end of the video. So before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. Let's get gaming. Alright, so I really hope you guys can see properly. This is of course the latest version of Pixel Experience Plus with the July security patch. We are at around 80% battery. We do have CPU float showing us the CPU temperature and the battery temperature. Apart from this, we're going to pretty much close all the other applications in the background so that we can have a smooth gaming experience, as you can see. And we're going to start with Apex Legends over here. So let's see here. Okay, we're going to use the in-game screen recorder. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to use the built-in screen recorder to this ROM. Before that, let's increase the brightness all the way. Okay. So now this game does have a built-in FPS meter, so we're not going to use the FPS meter over here. And yeah, let's actually start recording. So we have to record the device audio. Start recording. Okay, recording has begun. So let's actually go to the audio part. Now, let me quickly show you the graphics settings on Apex Mobile. As you can see, we are running Ultra FPS, which means we need 60 FPS. If I touch anything else apart from this, the FPS goes to very high, which is I think 50 FPS. That is not what we are looking for. And adaptive smoothing is off, display FPS is on. So we'll use the in-game FPS meter. VSync is off. Dynamic shadows is medium. No other settings here. So let's go ahead and confirm this. We're going to play a ranked match here and let's see how the experience is. So let's go. Our CPU temperature and battery temperature, let's put it here at the top. Let's actually also go ahead and enable the FPS meter in the ROM. More or less both of them are going to show the same result, right? So let's quickly go ahead and do that. Okay, we have a match. Alright, so first match, CPU temperature to start with is 58, 59. We are the jump masters, so pretty smooth jump here. Okay, FPS is dropping and coming back real quick. It's going to be a hot drop. Going to be a hot drop.
Yeah,
Definitely a hot
teammate.
drop.
So what? It's not like I'm scared of getting shot or whatever. Opening fire.
I am taking fire, friends. Shotgun bolt.
An enemy. Reloading.
Round one.
Hostile
Beginning
right here,
ring
right in front of
countdown.
me. Opening fire.
Enemy.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3. Target's right in front of me. Reloading.
Fire here. I'm down. I'm bleeding out.
Enemy killed. I took care of it. Don't worry.
I'm hit. Shotgun.
My ultimate's ready.
Extended light mag here.
Okay,
Level
so far the FPS is pretty good.
right here, right in front of me. Reloading. Go bamboozle. Reloading. Go bamboozle. Hostile right here, right in front of me. Oh, they just died. I guess that was the last one. My ultimate's ready.
Alright, so far we got around 2 kills and 1 assist, and in Apex Mobile at least the experience has been pretty rock solid.
Replicator being
I am
delivered.
taking fire, friends.
Replicator here, falling down. I got a bad guy. Firing. Dudes to the rescue.
Enemy taken down. The enemies are shooting at me.
Making contact here. You got bamboozled.
More enemies down. Recharging shields.
Reloading.
I killed an enemy. Good job, me. Whole squad down. I am repairing myself.
Getting shot.
Extended heavy mag here.
I could use
What?
some help. Bad news, I'm down.
Wow, 1 spray and I was down.
Recharging shields.
I was shooting.
Target's right in front of me.
I am taking fire, friends.
Oh. Okay, so that was one match of Apex Mobile, and I would say my experience was pretty rock solid. You saw it there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to try Call of Duty Mobile on the same ROM. Although the temperatures on the CPU part, I saw 72 right now, but to touch the device, it's not really that hot. You know, that would concern you, that you would probably have some issues like bricking or anything of that sort on your device. No, the battery temperature is still at 41. The battery is down by 5%, and we have been playing for, let me see how long. We've been playing for around 15 minutes, so not bad at all. Okay, let's quickly go to Call of Duty Mobile, and let's try a multiplayer match in Call of Duty Mobile and see how the experience goes there. So here we have Call of Duty Mobile. Okay. Now, as I said in my complete review about this ROM, that you don't really get 90 FPS gaming in this ROM, but you do get very stable 60 FPS, which is a good thing, right? So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more gaming reviews like this one for different custom ROMs and different devices, because there might not be a lot of people playing custom ROMs, but a lot of people do play games, right? So we're going to play a ranked match. This is tournament ranked, okay. Okay, how do I scale? Okay. Okay, well, we've selected one mode, that is frontline. We'll play TDM. Okay. All the assets are downloaded, so no problem there. Yeah, we're getting 30 FPS in lobby. And now we are starting a ranked match. Let's see how it goes. Should be fun.
Down. Cover me. Reloading.
Target down.
Reloading.
We've taken the lead.
Need backup.
Down.
Tango down. I'm hurt.
Okay, there was a stutter, I don't know why.
Changing mag, cover me.
Enemy down. Reloading. Grenade, move!
Down. Reloading, cover me.
Target down.
Sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry UAV online. Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Enemy down.
UAV online. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by.
Enemy down. Tango down.
Friendly swarm activated. UAV online.
Okay, so that's Call of Duty Mobile for you. Very good, very stable gaming experience is what I can say. And all in all, in both the games, that is Call of Duty Mobile and in Apex Legends, the experience was pretty rock solid of Pixel Experience Plus on the Poco X3 Pro. Even now, we are at around 72% battery, so we lost around 8 to 9% battery. The temperature of the device is not that bad. So yes, the gaming experience on this ROM is pretty rock solid. Let me know your thoughts on this type of gaming review with this particular setup. See you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.